Hi everyone! Today I am making a very special dish called Indian-style baked pasta with white cashew gravy and roasted vegetables. This is a fusion recipe that mixes Italian pasta with Indian flavors. Creamy cashew gravy, roasted vegetables, and soft paneer. It is rich, colorful, and perfect for a family meal. First, I take a large pan and add water, salt, and a little oil. Let the water come to a boil. When the water starts boiling, I add the pasta. I cook the pasta until it becomes soft, but not mushy. Once it is ready, I drain the water and keep the pasta aside. Now I prepare the vegetables. I cut broccoli, red pepper, mushrooms, and potatoes into small pieces. In a separate pan, I heat a little oil. I add all the vegetables and roast them on medium heat. To season them, I add cumin, black pepper, and mixed herbs. The vegetables become soft, slightly golden, and full of flavor. I keep them aside for layering later. Next, I prepare the gravy. In another pan, I heat a little oil and add chopped onions. I roast the onions until they turn light brown. And then I add cashew along with green chilies and tomato puree. I cook this mixture for a few minutes. After that, I transfer everything into a blender. Add a little water and blend it into a smooth paste. This will become the base of our creamy white gravy. Now I take a small bowl and add paprika, red chili powder, turmeric, black pepper, and salt. I add a little water and mix it into a smooth paste. This will give color and flavor to the gravy. In a clean pan, I heated a little butter. When the butter melts, I add cumin seeds. Then I pour the spice paste into the pan. I also add paneer and mix everything gently. Now I add the blended cashew onion mixture into the pan. I cook it on low heat until the gravy becomes creamy and thick. Now it is time to assemble everything. I take a large dish, a casserole dish. First, I add a layer of boiled pasta. On top of the pasta, I add the roasted vegetables. Then I pour some of the creamy white cashew gravy. After that, I add the roasted paneer. Then I add more white gravy to make it rich and moist. Finally, I sprinkle English cheese on top. This will melt beautifully when baked. I also roasted chicken separately. If you like, you can add roasted chicken on the side or mix it into one of the layers. This step is optional. The combination of pasta, roasted vegetables, creamy cashew gravy. Next, I add fresh green spinach leaves. Spinach and paneer creates a beautiful fusion flavor. Now the dish is ready to bake or serve as it is. It is rich, comforting, and perfect for a family dinner. Feel free to share your experience with me. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next recipe.